9 people were taken to hospital following a carbon monoxide incident in a North Kildonan home. The Winnipeg Fire Paramedic Service was called earlier this morning. CBC's Josh Crabb was at the scene and joins us now with the details. So Josh, what do we know about the condition of the people involved?
Brittany, the WFPS says all 9 people were taken to the hospital in unstable condition. There was no word Tuesday afternoon from the fire department on how they're doing now. We spoke to neighbors on Sharron Bay who saw fire trucks and ambulances this morning outside the home. The WFPS says it came in as a medical call. When first responders got to the home, the carbon monoxide alarms they carried detected readings of 300 parts per million. Roseanne Beardy and Shireen Teixeira say they are thinking of their neighbors.
Well, it's shocking to know that happened just right next door, and especially when I know there's little kids there.
Well, I did see them all come out and they were all looked awake and everything, so that was some solace, I guess.
Service couldn't say whether the home was equipped with a carbon monoxide detector. Manitoba Hydro was called to investigate, and crews found a vent connector from the furnace to the chimney was significantly corroded. Crews also say the furnace was producing significantly higher levels of carbon monoxide than normal. Hydro says the gas has been cut off and the property owner is now expected to make the necessary repairs. We're told the home is being rented. WFPS Deputy Chief Scott Wilkinson says the amount of carbon monoxide detected in the home was concerning.
Well, 300 parts per million is a significant reading. In over 200 parts per million, you start to see symptoms of nausea and other medical impacts. Once we get over 400 parts per million, you can see significant impacts of potential fatalities within hours. So this was a serious level of exposure.
Hydro says crews will return to the home after repairs are made to inspect the furnace before it can be used again.